Hello, welcome to another allotment diary. Today the weather is just not playing ball at all. Look at that grey cloud and really dirty windows. I mean, it's not tipping down with rain, so I'll check on a coat and see how it is anyway. But before I go, I think I'll just show you what I'm growing in the house in preparation for my allotment actually being ready to plant things. So like, fingers crossed it won't be too long. These are how my sunflowers are coming along. This one looks really happy. And then I've got like a tiny little one coming up there. That looks like it's ready to make an appearance soon. And then this one, I don't know, maybe he just doesn't want to come out. I can't remember how long I've been growing these for yet. I know some of them have been in longer, like that's definitely been in longer. These ones I sowed a lot sooner, but I don't know. What do you think this is? This is like really weird green moisture stuff. I might need to like either plant them out soon or just like replant them in another one with like some fresh compost. So yeah, if you could let me know, that'd be really handy. So these are fairly new and I'm really excited about these. The little baby tomato plants. This one came up pretty soon and then this one came up like literally 2 days ago. So yeah, this is how they look. These are my pumpkins. He's so happy and he's so big already as well. This one's got like a weird leaf, but I don't think it's a problem. I think it's fine. I got more onions. This one's doing the same thing though with that green layer. Like, it's weird. I'm so excited. There's a couple of concerns. I don't know what the hell that is. Is there an issue? Is that a bad thing? Is that the sun? And then this is freaking me out a little bit. Like, look at the colour on that. That's not right, is it? I'm trying to work out if it's because I'm overwatering or not. But I find that these like terracotta pots, I just feel like they dry out really quickly. If you could give me your advice on what's wrong with this plant, because I thought he was really happy up until I saw that this is yellow. And then I sowed these the same time as the other pumpkins, but these are small pumpkins. Oh my god, look at my handwriting. In comparison, like if I just show you, these went out on the same day, so I'm going to cover these back up, but if you think I shouldn't, let me know and I'll just leave them. But for now, I'm just going to cover them back up. Just realised you couldn't actually see any of that, but like, you know, just to show you, it tucked back in to bed. I may as well show you what's outside. The classic sandals and socks. Definitely planted out too soon, but I'm kind of experimenting, seeing if he survives, and he seems okay apart from this incident and again this weird white thing. The new leaves seem okay, but you can tell he's not as big as the other one. Got some peas which look happy. I got some lettuce, spinach and beetroot, and then these were where I picked them out of and I thought, well, may as well just keep them growing, see what happens. I almost forgot, James got me this plant as a, you know, well done for getting the plot, and there's like little tiny little ones there, so I'm hoping to get a planter at the allotment. And when little shoots come out, just, you know, spread them around. I'm talking as if I know what to do and I know how it works, but I don't know how it works. I've also started keeping hold of things I don't normally, you know, collect. But normally things like this just go in the recycling bin. But I'm keeping them now. I've got a pile ready to go of things to use as little potting things. These are incredibly handy. And, you know, better than just getting rid of it, innit? It's raining, yeah, and it's cold. We'll be fine. I'm telling myself it's gonna be fine. We'll see. Even in the rain, it's still gorgeous here, especially the flowers at the top. They're amazing. The birds are still really noisy anyway. They don't seem to care. Looking a bit wet and weathered. That's fine. Wood is still there, which is great. Oh, someone's dropped off more plastic for me. That's so cute. Gifts. Someone has gone and dropped off more of this, so when I finish clearing this area now, I can put that down. Maybe when it's like better weather, I should bring like a chair down here, because at the moment, this is what we've got. Now, I don't know about you, but that's not gonna work for me. So enough chat, and I'm gonna go grab those tools and get on with that. I know, some more riveting content of me cutting back. I've also had a change of heart about these boards as well. And I know I was like hung up on having them 2 boards high, but given it was purely for aesthetic purposes, I don't know if I can justify it, because we're talking twice as much wood and then twice as much compost as well. And I'm just thinking, if I want to do this cheaply, I've already paid for the wood. It's not like it was free, so cost-effective method would be single board, get on with it. So James has come down now.
Hey.
And he's just saying how different it looks. So I started around about where that red box is, and I've taken it back that bit further. I've gone halfway across there, and I need to clean up the side as well. It's looking pretty big now, isn't it?
Very good. Like, a lot bigger than I thought. It's like doubled in size, really. Like, the sheet was massive when we laid that out, and now I feel like the sheet's tiny. And they've left you another sheet as well.
Yeah.
Now to use the spare one, so we can cover that in. No, I'll just tidy this edge up now. It's looking good.
And we've got loads of cardboard, so that's going to go along the side and anyway that the blue sheet doesn't cover. And then what's useful now is with all that wood, I can lay it down so it doesn't blow away in the wind or anything like that. Honestly, look at this tree. It's been absolutely attacked by all these brambles. So I've been here for the last 10 minutes trying to break it free. This poor tree, like. I will save you. So I finally feel like I'm actually making some progress now. This is how the plot is looking right now. I cut away a bit at the side, and then I've tried to even up the back as well. For a bit of perspective, today started there, where that is a big dark chunk there. So I cut away all of that, tried to make that kind of squared off, but it's not, it's a bit of an angle, which is fine. And then it goes that way then. Still have a lot of clearing to do before I put any more of the plastic down. I got these by here, these piles as well I need to sort out. But it's just feeling massive now. Like, it's feeling huge. You can't really tell from the video that I'm taking now, but it just feels massive. And I haven't finished, but I'm trying to rescue the tree from the attack that it's experiencing. So I don't really know if you can tell on camera, but I feel like I'm making some progress now. Still little and often, so I'm gonna go home now and call it a day. But if you're enjoying the videos and you want to see how this progresses, please like and subscribe. And if you've got any suggestions of things I should be doing right now, things I shouldn't be doing right now, please drop it in the comment section. Thank you, bye.